Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by making sure you have a Google account and owner access to the website or app. This prevents permission delays. Once done, choose whether you need a web property, an app property, or both, and have the site URL or Firebase project ready. Next, open Analytics. Google. And click Create Property. That launches the GA4 flow. Make sure to name the property clearly for reporting later, and set the correct reporting time zone and currency before moving forward. Now you configure data streams for the property. Add a web stream or an app stream and copy the measurement ID or SDK instructions. For websites, install gtag, JS or deploy tags via Google Tag Manager. For apps, integrate the Firebase SDK and link the project. Once installed, enable enhanced measurement to auto-collect common events, then define custom events and mark key events as conversions. Make sure to test events in debug view so you validate incoming data and fix any tagging gaps. To finish, link related accounts like Google Ads or Search Console, and if needed, connect BigQuery for raw exports. This enriches analysis. Then set user permissions, adjust data retention, and configure conversion goals. Test in real-time reports to confirm hits arrive. Finally, verify reporting by checking debug view and running live interactions. If data is missing, inspect tag firing, ensure the correct measurement ID or Firebase config, clear caches, and retest. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.